Greeting to all employers. My name is Li Zhixian. I am now degree student studying Bachelor of Science Industrial Biology at University of Technology, Malaysia. Throughout the university, I have maintained the CGPA of 3.90 up to semester 5 now. I was also studying STPM Sijil Tinggi Pelajaran Malaysia at Desa Murni Form 6 College in Penang with a result of CGPA of 3.25. During my university life, I had joined several clubs and conducted several co-curricular activities. The first club I was to mention was Club ITC College Night and 10, which I was positioned as president in this club. Under this club, I was conducted one activity which was Haunted House Zombie Night in June 2023 as the director. Another club I was joined was Symbiosis Club, which was the club under the Faculty of Science EDM. Under this club, I was joined two activities as committee member. The first activity was Bio Outdoor Survival 2022, which I positioned as head of activity unit. Another activities I joined was Bio Night Dinner 2023 in June 2023, where I was positioned as head of protocol unit. Throughout my several activities that I joined in my university life, I have honed a strong sense of responsibility driving my commitment to excellence. I have known for my leadership and diligence that always ready to help the others needed. With the developed leadership and problem-solving skill, I have equipped to navigate the challenge and drive the positive engagement. In terms of my hard skill, I am very proficient in the microbiology techniques such as media preparation, streaking technique, spray plate, pour plate, and also the aseptic technique. In terms of device, I am also able to use light microscope, spectrophotometer, and setting up of bioreactor. For more information about me, you can go through this e-portfolio. You can reach me too throughout these contacts. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward that the possibility to work together.